Why won't your peace lily bloom? Have you ever looked at your peace lily and thought, the plant looks healthy, so why won't it bloom? The leaves are green, new leaves keep appearing, and there are no obvious signs that something is wrong. But weeks go by. Then months. And still, no flowers. At this point, it's very easy to start trying everything you can think of. Maybe more fertilizer, maybe more water, maybe moving the plant closer to the window. But here's the thing. A peace lily that isn't blooming doesn't always mean something is wrong. Sometimes, the plant is actually doing fine. It simply isn't getting the right combination of conditions to produce flowers yet. So before you start changing everything, let's go through 5 things I would check first. And stay with me until the end, because the last one is probably the easiest to overlook. 1. Is your peace lily mature enough? Let's start with something simple, but very important. How old or mature is your plant? If your peace lily is still small, was recently divided, or has only been in its new pot for a short time, it may simply need more time. Young plants often spend their energy developing their roots and producing new leaves. You may see a new leaf appear, then another one a few weeks later. That is actually a good sign. It tells you the plant is actively growing. But flowering is not the only goal of the plant. Before producing flowers, the plant needs to build enough strength and develop a healthy root and leaf system. So if your peace lily is still young but producing healthy new leaves, don't assume you're doing something wrong just because there are no flowers. Right finger, what can you do? Instead of counting how many flowers the plant has, look at its overall growth. Are new leaves appearing? Are they healthy? Is the plant gradually becoming larger and stronger? If the answer is yes, that's encouraging. Give it time rather than trying to force it to flower. And once you've ruled out the age of the plant, there's another thing worth looking at. 2. Look at where your peace lily is growing. This is one of the first things I would check if a mature peace lily rarely blooms. Peace lilies are often described as plants that can tolerate low light. That's true. But there's an important difference between surviving in low light and having enough light to grow and flower well. If your plant is sitting in a very dark corner, it may stay alive and continue growing slowly, but flowering can become much less likely. So take a look around your plant during the daytime. Is there plenty of natural light in the room? Can you comfortably see the leaves without turning on a light? A bright location near a window can often be a better choice, as long as the leaves are protected from harsh direct sunlight. And remember, you don't need to find the brightest spot in the house. The goal isn't give the plant as much light as possible. It's give it enough gentle light to support healthy growth. If you decide to move the plant, do it gradually. Don't take a plant that has been sitting in a dark room and suddenly place it under strong sunlight. That can create a completely different problem. So once you find a good location, try the next thing. Leave it there. 3. Stop moving the plant around too often. This one sounds simple, but it's surprisingly common. You notice there are no flowers, so you move the plant. A few weeks later, nothing changes, so you move it again. Then you see someone recommend putting peace lilies outdoors, so you try that too. The problem is that every location can have different light, temperature, humidity, and airflow. The plant has to adjust each time. And if you keep changing several things at once, it becomes difficult to know what is actually helping. So if your peace lily is healthy and you've found a location with suitable light, give it some stability. Let the plant get used to its surroundings. Right finger, a simple rule I like is change one thing at a time, then observe. If you move the plant, give it time before deciding that the change didn't work. This is one of those situations where doing less can actually be better. Good plant care isn't about constantly correcting the plant. Sometimes it's about giving the plant a comfortable environment and allowing it to settle. And that brings us to another mistake many people make when they're waiting for flowers. 4. Don't try to force flowers with more fertilizer. When a peace lily refuses to bloom, it's natural to think, maybe it's missing nutrients. So we look for flowering fertilizers, special formulas, or homemade mixtures. And there's nothing wrong with providing appropriate nutrition when the plant needs it. But fertilizer isn't a magic button. More fertilizer does not automatically mean more flowers. If the plant is young, the environment isn't suitable, or the plant is already under stress, adding more fertilizer won't necessarily solve the real problem. And using fertilizer too often or too strongly can create additional stress for the plant. So instead of asking, what can I add to make it bloom? Try asking, are the basic conditions already good? Is the plant growing? Is the environment stable? Is it getting enough suitable light? Does it look healthy overall? If those things are in place, then sometimes the best thing you can do is simply maintain good care and wait. Because plants don't respond to our schedule. They respond to their growing conditions. 5. Give your peace lily time. And this may be the hardest part for any plant lover. Waiting. We see a beautiful peace lily covered in white flowers online and naturally want our own plant to look exactly the same. But those pictures usually capture the plant at its best moment. Real plants have cycles. There can be a period when the plant produces flowers, followed by another period when it focuses mostly on leaves. And that's completely different from saying the plant is unhealthy. If your peace lily has healthy green leaves, continues to grow, and doesn't show other signs of trouble, a lack of flowers alone isn't necessarily a reason to panic. Sometimes the plant simply needs more time. So rather than changing 3 or 4 things every week, try something much simpler. Keep the conditions steady. Watch how the plant responds. Make small changes only when there's a clear reason. And give the plant enough time to show you the result. So, what should you check first? If your peace lily isn't blooming, don't rush to change everything at once. Start with a few simple questions. Is the plant mature enough? Does it get enough bright, indirect light? Is its environment stable? Are you using too much fertilizer? And most importantly, have you given it enough time? These simple checks won't make your peace lily bloom overnight, but they can help you understand what the plant actually needs instead of trying one trick after another. So if your peace lily is green, healthy, and still growing but hasn't produced flowers yet, don't worry too much. Before adding more fertilizer or moving the plant again, take a step back and look at the basics: maturity, light, stability, and time. There is no single trick that works for every peace lily, because every plant and every home is different. Good plant care isn't about doing more and more. It's about understanding what your plant needs and giving it the right conditions to grow. And sometimes, the best thing you can do is simply give your plant time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.